So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a YouTube thumbnail or thumbnail for any of your social media platforms in just 3 minutes. So yeah, please do well to watch this video to the very end. Welcome back to another exciting video. So in one of my numerous videos, I saw a comment where somebody said I should teach how to create a thumbnail. So for those who don't know, a thumbnail is like the display picture you see at the beginning of a YouTube video or even Facebook videos. Yes, on your Facebook post or your videos, you can actually put a thumbnail. So I'm going to be showing you how you can design your own thumbnail, catchy, captivating thumbnail, whereby anyone who sees your video will definitely want to watch it. So yeah, let's get into my screen. So guys, yeah, this is my screen and I will be using Canva because Canva is like the most popular graphic design website you can use to create. So yeah, here's my YouTube channel and you can see I have a lot of videos here I've done in a couple of months. Yes, so let's go into Canva. So if you don't have a Canva account, I would advise you to create one. It's going to really help you. There are other ways you can actually use, but Canva is like the most popular, and because it has a lot of varieties, and yes, it is actually one of the best, in fact the best. Yes, Canva is the best, and I know a lot of you can start with the free version, but I am using the paid version right now and I'm in a group. You don't need to actually be the only person paying for a Canva subscription. So I'm like, I think we are 5. You can look at it. I'm in a team right now and we are 5 in this team. So everybody just pays their own, maybe a little amount for the month, for the year. We subscribe yearly. We just do the yearly subscription because it's cheaper and it's better. Like, I don't need to start thinking of subscription every month, you get. So I would advise that you can actually do this pattern, like go for the team instead of only you paying. So yeah, this is what the Canva app looks like. If you're on the paid version, there's nothing wrong with the paid version, but like I said, you might not be having a lot to work with if you're on the paid version. So you can see so many things I've worked on here, but I usually work on a folder per time. Like, I'll just continue. I'm going to show you, for example, if I create a design right now, so depending, of course, I work with YouTube thumbnail most, so you can see that YouTube thumbnail, but let me just give you yes, so these are the things you can do. So many things here. You can create a video, a presentation, resume, flyer, mobile video if you're doing Facebook, Instagram post and all of that. YouTube banner. Now YouTube banner is like, let me explain what a YouTube banner is to you. So let me go to my channel and my channel, view your channel, view. So these are like templates here. This is what a YouTube banner is. So what you will see, the first present, once you click on the YouTube video, the very first thing you will see is called a YouTube banner. So there are already templates available. You can just edit it to your own taste, or you can, of course, you can still add and subtract or do whatever thing you want to do, but they're already ready-made templates with their sizes and the different things that you can do if you're doing a particular thing per time. So this is wallpaper, phone wallpaper. If you want to design a phone wallpaper, your story, your Facebook posts, landscape, card, landscape, poster, portrait, the difference between portrait and landscape, then document, Instagram story, and what have you. Looks like I've passed YouTube thumbnail here. Let me go back to, yeah, so this is where I have YouTube thumbnail. So this is the one I use, but because I already have, like, if I click this now, you see that I have, you can see 1 of 43. So I just continue so that I don't have my dashboard clustered a whole lot. Then for my intro video, for somebody who told me to teach on intro video, I'm going to show you how I went about this intro. This is my intro video. You can see that, you can see the slides coming out for my intro video. In fact, you actually saw that intro video in this video too. So I also did that on Canva, and so many other designs I have here. So some of them are old designs, but there's, for this particular YouTube channel, this is my other YouTube channel, you can see 1 of 19, and this particular YouTube channel, everything has been here. So if I click, or let me just, yes, look at it. This is it. So I've been creating what's it called, different thumbnails, and I just continue from where I stopped. So once I scroll down right now, you're going to be seeing, so yeah, let me continue from here. So I'm going to be working on page 43. So now let's create this design. Let's do something very simple. So if you want to go with colors, you can actually just pick any color. Sometimes I do this, and you go. If you want to change, you can just is this fine? That's if you're going with colors. Look at that. You can pick. If you change it to a color, you can see that you can just change this. That's if you are going with colors, like I said. Then that's if you're going to colors, you just click here and you see the different colors you want to work with. But if you want to go with designs, you can actually pick designs from here. There are thousands of templates here you can work with, depending on what your topic is. If it's a lifestyle content, you're going to see template here you can work with. If it's a travel content, you're going to see. If it is a presentation, you're going to see templates here you can work with. So you can pick any of the templates. This is a very good template. Now this is, you can see that they marked it pro, but because you can see pro means that you have to be on a paid version, but this is free. They have a lot of free ones, and they have a lot of pro. Now look at this. I think this is fine, but very, very okay. So all I just need to do is change any of this, put my picture here, and I am good to go. 3 minutes, I am done. Then if I want to blur some places, work on some places, I can do that. So income, great idea, low investment. So I can change it to create. So once you click on this, create, then let me change this to thumbnail. Then put this in 3 minutes. Guys, look at how fast that was. So let me reduce this, and I reduce this, then I move this here. I'm just trying to make it. Click on this, bring it. Guys, look at that. Is this central? I'm trying to click on. You can see what I'm doing right here. I want to make it very central. Yeah, I think this is fine. So guys, are you seeing this? I think this needs to move a bit. Yeah. Then I can put my pictures. I already have a lot of my pictures, and I can actually just, since I already have this here, if you have a new picture, let me work with a new picture. So I will show you how I do this. So let's go to uploads. Of course, if you don't have your picture already uploaded here, you can pick them from your finder. Just go to where you have your different pictures, like any picture you want to use. You can use any of them. So I already have a lot of pictures uploaded here, so I can just pick any of them and work on it. So let's see. Okay, let me use this. So this one goes off, and I bring myself here. Now, how do I remove background? Of course, you need to be on a paid version to be able to remove background. I need to stay there. See how I made it bigger? So let me remove background. You can actually remove background on your iPhone. I will show you how you can do that. It's very easy to remove background on your iPhone. So now click on edit images or edit image, go to background remover, and it is out in how many seconds, I mean. But if you want to do it on your iPhone, because that is cheaper for you, just click on the image down, and you're removing. You can see that right now, guys. Can you see this? So this is like showing me, okay, I'm showing you how to remove your thumbnail, right? So I can make this bigger. Let me make this also bigger. I can bring it closer because it looks too far here. Yes, so I think this is fine. So you see how easy this is. Then there's this, I need to tint. Let me go back to this and shadow. I need to put shadow. Now you can see some things already out. Look at that. Then I can change the color to white. Look at that. Then I can reduce the size. Yeah, guys, you can see how easy this was. This is a thumbnail. So in 3 minutes I was done making this thumbnail. So let me show you how you can, remove background on your iPhone. So yeah, on your iPhone. So guys, let me go to one of my pictures on my iPhone. Yeah, let me click on this. This is one of the videos I did, a picture, right? I was trying to get a thumbnail and I had to do so many pictures. If I have a lot of them, you can see sometimes you just snap different kind of pictures because you're trying to get the best for a video. So let me use this. So you can see me surprised here. Sometimes your thumbnails need to be very catchy. You can see yourself snapping very, do videos that, try to convince people to watch you. So guess what I'm going to do right here? I'm just going to click this down. You can see that it has picked it out. You can see it's cropping it out on your iPhone. Just let me do this again. Now it's going to separate the picture from the background. So I click it down. You can see that, and it's telling me to share. So I can actually decide to share it on I share it to my MacBook. Let me share this to my MacBook so you can see. So you can see that my MacBook is out, and you can see it's here. So I move to my, look at that. You can see the image right here. So if I bring this image here, just drag. I can decide to, let me just remove this. I'll come back. I'll just look at that. Okay, it didn't bring out the phone, but it doesn't really matter. You can see this. So you can actually work with this. Look at that, guys. You can just work with this. So this is another way you can remove background through your iPhone, because if you're trying to do it on Canva, you have to pay on the paid version. So you can do it easily like this, and you can see that. So let me undo and go back to my previous video. So guys, are you seeing how this is? And in few minutes you are done. If you want something more complex, you can actually create this yourself too. You can just, once you get a template, right? Let me also say this. Sometimes when I see fine templates and I want to create them myself, I copy that template on my screen, then I look for the font they used. So once I get the font, look at this font that is telling me Babas. So I go to look for the font and I create it myself. So I don't know if I've said something. So this is how easy you can create fine thumbnails in no time. So guys, have you gained value, especially removing background from your phone? Yes, this is the easiest way you can remove background, and you can use other features here, without being on the paid version. But for me, I'm on the paid version. But of course, if you want to go on the paid version, instead of paying alone, just be in a team where if you're up to like 5, you find that you're paying maybe for the whole year, you're paying maybe 6,000 or even less, depending on how many you are in a team. So guys, have you gotten value from this particular video? Please do well to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. If you still have questions for me, you can drop them in the comment section. Bye everyone.